Summer, brother.
How's it going? Sent it earlier?
Yeah.
But it got 5 a.m. Look at this weirdo board.
Oh, that's freaking awesome, bro. Never seen anything like that before.
Exactly. It's like a TV.
Where'd you get that, man?
Get that of OBs since he was a kid. No one can be surfing.
Snap, man.
Right? Yeah, like Justin Trudeau here. You got the thickness thing, dude.
If I don't go in the water, no go in the water. We'll figure something out.
It's on. Guy that decided this particular template.
No way.
There we go.
Just get on it. Yeah, just get on it. Just like you're supposed to be on it. And then just look forward, dude. Oh yeah, appreciate it. Ken, how you doing out there?
Good.
You did good out there.
Oh, wrong hard.
What happened, dude?
Some dude let go of his board.
And it hit him. Is that a concussion or what?
That's what I'm afraid of, because he hit hard. That guy, did you see it?
I mean, I didn't see what happened, but I saw you going towards him.
I saw it.
Yeah, that looked like it.
Did you see it?
Yeah.
Oh, I did.
Hit him hard, man. Yeah, he's okay, but I want to make sure that he's still there. And he's like alert oriented. You know, it's like his name, where he's at, what he's doing here.
Get more.
The flood?
Look like that's odd, man. Is there some?
Why the girl looks exactly like her mother. Exactly.
I picked it up since, yeah.
And then you gotta ask yourself later. It's like, you know, does that fire lifeguard truck have anything to?
The first doctor, he said, he looked at me. I'm like a month and a half after I did it.
Shit, I've already been going.
That's what they told. So I had my shoulder redone too, and when I first tore it,